Darren!
Let's race for things!
Hey, guess what?
Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, the backdrop is different. We're actually prepping for dinner. This is night number 1 that I'm actually recording this, but this is a 3-day event that Turtle Wax has put on to showcase their 2020 product catalog, their 2020 product offering. And so myself and a number of influencers were all brought out here, and we're doing an event at Auto Car Club here in Scottsdale, Arizona, if I didn't already say that. So in this video, what you're gonna be seeing is a highlight of this whole week. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Did you get invited? Do you like it? What do you think about the 2020 product offering from Turtle Wax? Is this them kind of throwing their hat back in the ring of some high-end quality product lines? What do you think of the branding? Love to hear your thoughts, feelings, and emotions in the comments below. But first, enjoy this video.
So guys, my next guest, I'm sure you know him as well. This is Jimbo Balin.
We are at the apex of an amazing new chapter in the Turtle Wax history.
At the end of the day, you want great formulations that work, that deliver results. And that's what we've been focusing on, technology first, and also looking for what's next.
So today is the day when everyone here finds out what the 2020 products are for Turtle Wax. And so right now we're getting ready to load up into these vans and head over to the Auto Car Club, which is an insane car club. You should check them out on Instagram. It's very, very cool. So today we're gonna not only find out what all the products are, but we're also going to see the products, and then we get to play with them. At SEMA, a lot of times you get to see the products, kind of play with them a little bit, but today we have a full day dedicated to being introduced to the products, learning about them, and then actually hands-on using the products. So come along, let's go check it out.
Bottle. It has a different look and feel. This is a premium line. This is a new line that we can bring new technology in that is global. This will be everywhere in the world.
All right, everyone, that's it. So we're cruising out. We're in a G-Wagon G63.
Oh my gosh, Jimbo!
And that's it from Scottsdale, Arizona, and the Turtle Wax Test Drive event. Thanks for coming along.